cooking. And my Italian sausage, it's cooking also. Slowly cooking it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make. There's my pasta, it's cooking. And my Italian sausage, it's cooking also. Slowly cooking it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make. This is what I used. Linguine, 16 ounce. Barilla, it's whole grain linguine. Good. It's gonna be for dinner. So my pot has a strainer, and I'm gonna strain the pasta now. It's really a pasta pot, so it comes with a strainer. Saute your onions. This is where I cook the sausages, so I just make use of the oil that has been extracted from the sausage. So wait until they're tender, and then you just pour out the garlic next. Okay, I mixed in the garlic, and I don't know if you can distinguish it, but it's right there. Okay, so I add in a butter, so just this much, because I'm just gonna use a can of just one can. You just want one can of you think it's enough? Can of cream. I'm gonna use Nestle cream for this dish. So I set my heat on low because I don't want to burn the butter. So I just let it melt before I add in the cream. Ito sabihin daw si Daddy. Okay, I add in the butter. Okay, on low heat because I just want it to melt like that. I don't want to burn it. So what are you gonna say, Dad?
It's on fire.
It's on fire. The end product of the sausage. So it's up to you whether you like it separate on the pasta or mix it in. But usually you have to mix it in because it's part of the dish. And you can eat it like that also. Okay, I'm gonna pour it slowly. I'm not gonna pour everything. Black pepper, a little bit of Italian seasoning, mash it, guys, let it simmer. A little bit bubbly. Finally, the cheese. Got some grated cheese over here. I'm gonna add it on my sauce. That's cheddar. I'm gonna put some thin cut smoked provolone since I have it, so why not, right? Okay. I'm just gonna put 3 pieces in there and let it melt. Good. To just make it a little bit creamier and cheesier. There. The smokiness is gonna blend into the sauce. Nice. Here comes the fun part. Kinain mo yan? I think I have to pour it all, Dad. You think? It's just 1 pound. Huh? I'm gonna just pour it all. I think I might as well. No?
Probably.
But it's gonna get absorbed. No? You can put bacon on top, or you have pastrami, right, Dad? It's up to you. Dami pa. Hindi ko lagay. Dad, di ba? Natira. Let's see. Wanna try it, Dad? Wanna try it? So here it is, guys. That's the Italian sausage, and I sliced it into like bite size, and I'm gonna add it to the dish now. There you go, guys. Yan na siya. Nasa ibabaw na siya ng pasta. So it's up to you if you wanna slice it a little bit more smaller or more bigger. It's up to you. And you can put anything on your pasta dish. You can put bacon, or you can put pastrami. You can also add in like green peas if you want to make it more, a little bit more healthier, and also carrots, but I didn't, so. But you can do that too. That's the finished product. I put in some chili flakes para masarap. And Daddy wants to put on Tabasco and Parmesan cheese on top. Let's eat! Kain na po!
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Can you put some for me too, Dad? Daddy's gonna serve me some. Kain na po! Let's eat! Thanks, Dad. Kain tayo, guys. Daddy daw mag-almond milk. Sarap nga, Dad. Ay! Hindi ko pa nilagyan ng parmesan. Oops. Tama na. Parang gusto ko pandagdagan ng paminta. Pepper. Sarap daw. Sabi ng Daddy. Masarap to pakainin eh. Lahat masarap. Okay ba? Sarap nga. Sarap na Italian sausage. Gusto ko talaga siya. Kaya lang ako may bila nun. Sa pizza.
Italian to.
Sa pizza, ang sarap ilagay, di ba? Last time.
Ganyan din. Stater.
Sa ano? Sa midsection. Pasta na kasi yan. Pero di ba usually ang partner niyan, mga garlic bread, gano'n, di ba? Hindi na kami gumawa. Pero kung nag-crave ako ng something, kasi malambot siya, di ba? Lagay na lang ako na ito. Luton. Hi mo, Dad?